Hi, this is Kathy Carroll of FauxByKathy.com. I would like to introduce how to use the Meoded Paint and Plaster product line.
Tonachino Firenze is a lime-based plaster mixed with sand that creates a smooth and sandy Mediterranean look or a contemporary look. Tonachino Firenze, regular and glaze. You will first need to apply the Meoded Quartz Primer. Watch the primer video for proper application. Let the quartz primer dry for a minimum of 5 hours before adding plaster. Apply the first coat. Create a thin first layer. Clean the excess material, leaving only the thickness of the grain. Wait for it to set for 15 to 20 minutes. When material starts to dry approximately 50%, use a damp sponge to move in a circular motion and flatten any visible lines, leaving a texture of sandpaper-like finish. Allow it to dry for 12 hours minimum. Apply the second coat. Create a second thin layer just like the first. Clean the excess material, leaving only the thickness of the grain. Wait for it to set for 15 to 20 minutes. When the material starts to dry, use a damp sponge in a circular motion to flatten any visible lines. You can leave it as is, or you can smooth it with a plastic trowel. Press lightly to achieve a smoother finish. It will still remain a very fine textured sand finish. It's very important not to press with the metal tool because that will create black marks. Tonachino Firenze creates a fine stone look with a slight sandy texture. Tonachino Firenze Glaze. Choose any color Velator glaze and dilute it 4 part water, 1 part glaze. When you temp the Tonachino Firenze, it gives more of a solid color. Here we are applying a glaze, which brings out the natural color and movement of the plaster. This creates a more natural Mediterranean look. On large surfaces, before applying color glaze, it's recommended that you apply a clear Velator glaze, diluted 1 to 10, to seal the surface first. This gives you more open time to play with the color, otherwise the color could dry unevenly. It also makes it more washable. The Tonachino Firenze is a strong and durable finish. It can be used for interior or exterior surfaces. However, it's very popular for exterior surfaces due to its strong and durable finish. It's also very breathable, making it ideal in a humid environment. Tonachino Firenze creates a fine stone look with a slight sandy Mediterranean-like texture.
If you want to purchase any Meoded products or want to learn how to use any of the Meoded products, please give Faux by Kathy Studios a call or visit our website. Thank you and have a wonderful day.